Michael has just driven up from Ottawa. We loaded all the parts down at the Fenton Road shop, the old shop, and Michael is driven up, and we're just unloading the wing, the wheels that we picked up at Dunrobin. There's a propeller there and a Piaggio 7-cylinder engine as well. It's collected along the way. So it's a big day. This is a big day. We're moving from our old shop, which was only 1,000 square feet, and we've got over 3,000 square feet here. So super excited to get moved in. And Michael's done a great job. And the rain has stopped, which is great. So we're good to go.
Okay, go ahead.
So over the course of this summer, Kendall Holmes, our contractor, built this 60 by 40 hangar. Still needs some work, but it's insulated, it's got power, it's got heating, and we're good for the winter, so we can start to set up shop here. We were just running out of room. The other shop was just way too small, and we having a hard time moving things around. We just outgrew the old shop. So this is actually at Arnprior Airport. It's a functioning airport. There's 40 some hangars here. A lot of like-minded people on the airport. Maybe we'll be able to get some volunteers and some more help. And I think it's a perfect setting for the ReBuild shop and for Knox Tech Inc. I think we're going to be very happy here. Already it feels like home. Super happy to be here, and Kendall Holmes, John Kendall and his team have done a really good job building the hangar on time. Even given COVID and lack of materials and whatnot, John's been able to stay on time. So really great. I'm super glad we got it done this year. Can't wait to get everything moved in. So nothing earth-shattering. It's a 60 by 40 box. Insulated, bifold door, 40 some feet wide. Got 14 feet, 6 clear from ceiling to floor. And yeah, we can happily work in here under all weather during the winter, no trouble. Got to get a snow blower and a lawnmower. Aside from that though, we're good to go. We're going to build the shop area. It's going to be in the back corner here. There's a garage door that's going to be going out to the back. That's on order, and then we'll be able to open up the door and get some nice breeze blowing through here in a hot summer day. So yeah, so the shop will be on this side. Sorry, the workbenches, tool storage, all that kind of stuff will be over here. And then in the middle, that'll be our work areas. That's where the wing and the other parts will be. And yeah, we'll have to also get a forklift or I don't know, we need something to move the parts around. We use the gantries for now, but again, we have loads of room for the gantries, which is brilliant. So yeah, really happy to be here. Super happy.